second gear for you right there. Can't handle it.
Blew out the tranny.
Yep, there's transmission for it. We sitting here with no tranny. Done tore the tire up in second gear, blew it all to pieces. Poor truck. Too much power.
Too many horses.
Right? That's that motor that was putting all that noise out of this thing and blew out the tire and caused the back fender to get messed up. Transmission blew out. And that little old motor right there. 383 stroker, 350 built.
With a good 411
rear end, that's right. All the way. Ford 60 over. Wasn't it 60? It was 60, wasn't it? 50?
Yeah.
Oh, 60. 60 over. With the Edelbrock intake.
Double rolling time and chain.
Right. Edelbrock intake. 700 Edelbrock carburetor.
You know, what kind of coil back here?
That's the XL coil. XL high spark coil. With MSD wires. That's that little old motor right there that put out all that torque and power. Talking about racetrack. Oh, here it is.
Oops, oops, there it was.
Right. Yeah, that's her. Front of her. No. Boy, that little boy's mad, ain't he? He mad. He giving it hell. He giving it hell. Yeah. Beautiful old girl right there. Alright. Well, that's it.